got off my horse, so what, I'm up again, playing in one of these big saloons on Main. You can come up here, take a look around these sinners' dens. You're only ever gonna find one or two real games. Nobody's driving me underground, not yet anyway. But either on the strip or on the edge of town, everybody pays. Everybody pays to play. You ought to stay right where you are in sawdust land. It's probably the safest place to be, with your greasy little pork pies and your shoestring hands. Makes no difference to me. All those directions which we never took, go our different ways. Who went and wrote the oldest story in the book? Everybody pays. Everybody pays to play. Curl up inside a boxcar dream and disappear with a couple of roller friends. You were never one for trouble, so get out of here. I knew the game was dangerous back then, but nobody's breezing through these swinging doors. Just ups and walks away. Everybody has to leave some blood here on the floor. Everybody pays. Everybody pays to play. Yeah, everybody pays. Everybody pays to play.